Hello English learners. Today we're going to be using Anki and we're going to be looking at some principles that will help you learn English faster. And we'll be using chunks. One of the first principles is test yourself. So testing yourself really helps you learn quicker. And this is something that you can do in Anki, and you will see that a little bit later in the Anki demonstration, where I will be going through questions more like an English teacher, so giving a little bit of explanation, but also showing you that, like question answer. But this approach will help you sort of get these concepts into your brain much quicker. And also another factor that we will see in Anki today is being creative, being active with the language you're using. And what do I mean by that? So let's take a word many. So many, a word that will come after many will be a noun, but it will be a certain type of noun. It will be like a countable noun. So many, so you could have many cups, many girls, many doors, many rooms, and we can extend that. So many, we could say how many. And now we know it's got to be followed by some countable noun. How many chairs? How many tables? How many houses? And another variation of that could be too many. So too many people, too many shops, too many books. Okay, and many's partner is much, but much was followed by something that's called an uncountable noun. So with a countable noun, you can put a number in it, so you can have 3 chairs. Uncountable noun, you can't put a number in front of it, so you've got to have water. You can't have 10 water, it's got to be water. Okay, and so much, so you can have much money, much time, much luck, and we can have how much luck, how much gold, how much beer, too much, and you can say, oh, too much wine, I had too much wine to drink last night, too much silver, too much time. So you're going to see a practical demonstration of me on Anki, and Anki is a program that's very good. I really recommend that you download it. So it's in the comment section below, a link to Anki. Anyway, let's go over to Anki now. Here we have a new card because it tells you the type you need. So it's got I've already plus drive my car. So drive my car is like the type 1. So we've got drive, drove, driven. So I've already driven my car.
I've already driven my car.
She's already plus go to work, and it's a type 3. So you got go to work type 1, went to work type 2. Actually, for type 3 it could be gone to work or been to work. She's already gone to work, or she's already been to work.
She's already been to work. She's already gone to work.
There are a lot of plus countable noun. Okay, so it tells you need a countable noun, and a countable noun is something that you can put a number in front of the noun. So like a table, you could have 3 tables. A cup, you can have 10 cups. A dog, you could have 5 dogs. And here are also shows you that it's going to be a countable noun. So there are a lot of trees. There are a lot of cats. There are a lot of people.
There are a lot of cars.
I don't have any plus countable noun. Okay, so again, let's find some countable nouns, and they need to be in the plural because we've got any here. So I don't have any cats. I don't have any books. Let's see the answer.
I don't have any houses.
There's a lot of plus uncountable noun. Okay. So uncountable noun can't take a number in front of it. So for example, drinks like coffee, tea, water, materials, paint, metal, wood, concepts like money, time. So there's also there is a lot of, also tells us it's uncountable. So there's a lot of gold, there's a lot of money, there's a lot of time.
There's a lot of money.
I don't have any plus uncountable now. So I don't have any gold.
I don't have any time.
There isn't any plus noun. Okay, so we got isn't any, and we've got to decide, is it a countable noun or uncountable noun we need here. And here we got isn't any, so you need an uncountable noun. So there isn't any gold, there isn't any silver, there isn't any water.
There isn't any orange juice.
A few plus noun. So a few, that means something like 3, 4, or 5. So this tells us a few is countable. So we need a few countable nouns. So a few flowers, a few boys, a few books.
A few flowers.
There aren't any plus noun. Here we got aren't any. Is it countable or is it uncountable? Aren't shows there's more than one, so it's got to be countable. So there aren't any flowers, there aren't any concerts, there aren't any cars.
There aren't any oranges.
A little plus noun. So not long ago we had a few, and that was for countable. A little goes with uncountable nouns. So a little silver, a little money,
A little time.
she doesn't mind plus eat lunch. Okay, so we've got she doesn't mind. So mind, what comes after mind? What type of action? Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? So after mind, you need a type 4. So she doesn't mind eating lunch.
She doesn't mind eating lunch.
I still haven't leave work. Okay, and it tells us this is type 3, so this is a new card. Leave, left, left. I still haven't left work.
I still haven't left work.
Many plus nouns, so we need 2 examples here. Many tells us it's countable. Many flowers, many people, many bottles.
Many girls. Many trees.
They still haven't plus drive my car. It's a type 3, so we've got drive, drove, driven. They still haven't driven my car.
They still haven't driven my car.
Perhaps you could plus drink a glass of water. So could. Okay, this is something that we've done before. In this case it will be followed by a type 1. Perhaps you could drink a glass of water.
Perhaps you could drink a glass of water.
I'm looking forward to plus study English. It's a new card. It tells us it's a type 4, so you need the ing form. I'm looking forward to studying English.
I'm looking forward to studying English.
That was Anki. I hope you enjoyed the demonstration. I was demonstrating it for the use of chunks, but having Anki, you can test yourself and you can put all sorts of different English exercises into Anki. Perhaps in a later video I will show you maybe other ways you could use Anki, plus how to put sound onto Anki as well, which is very useful. Anyway, that's enough for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you did, and I will be coming back with a video on chunks very soon.